guys, I have a what fits in my bag video for you today featuring the carry-on pouches by Faure Le Page in the sizes 17 and 21, the small and the medium. I have yet to use the small one, but I did use the medium one as a crossbody bag the other day by attaching a strap to the D-ring and the zipper. The only bad thing for me was when I open it, the other side of the strap goes with it, but I didn't mind. So it fit all of my daily essentials, a little pouch, card case, my keys, which are kind of bulky, lotion, lip balm, hand sanitizer. You could fit more in there if you needed to. My sunglasses fit in here. These are larger frames in a soft case. I don't think a hard case would fit. So it closes just fine. Zipper's only slightly wavy, but it's not too bad. This pocket, I love this pocket. It's perfect for your phone. My case is empty because I'm using it to film. This is an iPhone 7 Plus case, so if your phone is bigger, it might not fit. This pocket is perfect because then you have easy access to your phone. If you were using a compact wallet, that will still fit just fine. We'll switch it out with the card case. And there's still room for more. Let's put a compact. Hair clip, perfume, and a little brush. It still closes okay. Zipper's only slightly wavy. The smaller one obviously won't fit as much, but it will hold my bare minimum essentials. So I'm not going to put the little flat pouch in. I just have like band-aids and things like that. I could just put that in the side pocket here. It's perfect for things like that. So card case, keys, hand sanitizer, lip balm, lotion. My phone won't fit in this pocket. It's too small for that. But it can fit in here. If your phone was bigger, it might not fit. So that's what it looks like with all those things inside. It closes okay, zipper's not too wavy. My sunglasses will fit, but only if I take the lotion out. So dimensions, the smaller one is 8 inches in length, 6 inches in height, and about almost 2.5 inches in width at the bottom. The medium-sized one is 9 inches in length, 7 inches in height, and almost 3 inches in width at the bottom. You can also attach little charms to the D-ring, dress it up a little bit. So far, I really like these pouches. I think my primary use is going to be as a crossbody bag, but you can also use them as wristlets, as pouches in one of your larger bags. You can use that as a makeup bag, toiletry bag, things like that. I highly recommend these pouches if you are looking for something more unique but still designer. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Bye guys.